Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the MI Family Gold Membership Kit. This is the kit that you get when you get the MI Family Gold Membership on MumbaiIndians.com. I had registered for this almost a month back, 25 days back to be precise, and today, after 25 days, the kit has gotten delivered. There was no tracking or update provided about the kit delivery. Just one fine day, I got a notification that I was expecting a delivery from Blue Dart, and the delivery turned out to be this kit. There are different memberships available. There's the gold tier, silver tier, and the free tier. This is the one that you get with the gold tier. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what's inside. I had in fact also sent out a couple of emails requesting info of this kit to the Mumbai Indians email address, but didn't get any response. So it was a pleasant surprise when I saw the notification informing me about this delivery. Alright, let me adjust the camera a little bit here. So first thing you see here is this MI Family sealed envelope. Let's go ahead and open it up. I would like to retain the seal, so I'm doing this very gently, and inside should be details of my Mumbai Indians membership, which I'm not going to show on camera. And there's a letter here talking about Mumbai Indians and welcoming me to the 2025 season gold membership, along with the gold membership card itself. Other than that, there are these 2-pack of Mumbai Indians playing cards. I'm going to unseal one of them. Alright, let's see what the playing cards look like on the inside. And I'm going to open up the packaging. Excellent packaging on everything. Let's gently open this up. Other side as well. Alright, there we go. We have this Mumbai Indians playing card set, and you have some cool artwork on the back side, all about Mumbai and the players of the Mumbai team. This, I'm guessing, is Hardik, and there are a few other cards. We see mentions of Harry, Bolt, Surya, and at the back we have, of course, Mumbai Traffic Police. So, okay, let's keep this aside and see what else we have. We, of course, have this amazing Mumbai Indians flag. Can't get the whole thing in one shot on the camera, but this is what we have as well. Then, of course, we have the jersey itself. Let me open that. Can't wait to open it. And here it is, the Mumbai Indians jersey. Let's check out the quality. Yeah, I believe this is the player edition. Great looking jersey. Let's look at the front. Here we go. And then finally, and this one of course is everyone's favorite, it's the autographed mini bat. Let's open it up. we have the autographs of the 2025 season players. There's Hardik Pandya, Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, Surya, Tilak, Naman, Arjun Tendulkar, all the way through Vignesh Puthur and Will Jacks. This is amazing. This is something everybody would want to preserve. It's a great token of the Mumbai Indians 2025 season. And then we also have this amazing poster of the Mumbai Indians team. The whole bandwagon is here. And finally, we also have this flip book. I'm just going to tear it open. And boom, boom, let's look at it. One more time. So there you have it, the flip book. So that's pretty much it, what you get in this box. The box is definitely worth it. The membership is worth it, what you pay for the membership. You get a lot of things. The jersey itself covers the cost of the membership, and then you have so many other things coming in, lots of cool stuff. Let me know your experience of buying the Mumbai Indians membership, what kind of membership you got, what was your delivery experience, and maybe looking forward to seeing some of you at the stadium. Thanks for watching.